You ain't gonna stop me now. This is my Keto kitchen and I'm gonna come cook you down. Gonna cook you down. Woo! Just kidding, I'm gonna make you full. I'm gonna cook till your plate is good. I'm gonna be doing what I should in Jaslynn's Keto Kitchen, where the food is bitchin' in Jaslynn's Keto Kitchen. Today on Jaslynn's Keto Kitchen, I'm gonna do something that I've seen on the low carbing sites. It is a little harder on the video that I see. They chop an avocado in half and they put a poached egg on the inside, and then they wrap bacon around it and they cook it. And to me it seems like the poached egg would be more done than it is when they cut it in half, but I'm gonna do mine a lot different. I got these cool gadgets. They are bacon microwavable dishes that you can make bacon baskets out of. And I'm gonna make bacon baskets with avocado halves in them and a poached egg sitting in it like a nest instead. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a microwave poached egg. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna start with making my bacon baskets. You're just gonna form these around here. I'm going to use more than one piece. And I'm kind of pulling this through so they're weaved a little bit here. Around. It looks pretty great. Okay, my first basket. Okay, I've got three kind of shorter pieces here. I'm going to pop these in the microwave, and after I've given it a little bit of time, these are super hot, so you need to use mitts to pull them in and out and make sure that it's not popping extremely bad, and you'll just want to keep watching these until they're done. I am going to put 1/2 cup of water into a microwavable glass container. And then you crack the egg and just dump it in there. Okay, and the egg is just going to stay together with itself inside of the container. You're going to put this in the microwave. With a piece of paper towel over the top of it, and you're going to cook them. It's going to be based off of your microwave. I'm going to cook these for 1:15. You might only need 45 seconds. And for the avocado, we're going to cut this in half. Beautiful, perfectly ripe avocado. You take the knife, tap it in, turn it. And now you can take the spoon and just slide it against the edge, and it should pull the whole avocado out. I'm going to leave it in there for a second because I'm not quite ready to have it pulled. And then the other one, released from its skin. I put the bacon in for 3 minutes the first time. It's not done yet, and I emptied the bacon grease from the tray so that it doesn't prevent it from crisping up. And I gave it another 3 minutes, and we'll see how it goes. I can hear it popping an insane amount of bacon grease, so make sure you're really safe in between opening and checking on it so that it doesn't pop and get you. All right, let's see how these bacon baskets are looking. Okay, bake it. Cook for 6 minutes. First basket. And because of the way they dripped, it doesn't even look like they need a grease. Degreaser. Alright, now it's time to poach the eggs. Taking both my eggs to the microwave, I'm going to put it for 115. And you want a slotted spoon. You take your egg. Dump it into your avocado. Make sure to add a little salt and pepper or any other seasonings that you enjoy. I also think a little red crushed pepper would be excellent for this. And there you have it. Poached egg made by microwave and an avocado with a bacon basket. All right, give me that thumbs up and subscribe. And I look forward to making more videos for you in the future. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. You ain't gonna stop me now. This is my keto kitchen and I'm gonna come cook you down. Gonna cook you down. Woo! Just kidding, I'm gonna make you full. I'm gonna cook till your plate is good.